Having left Canterbury, it's into Chang. Island hopping. Koh Chang is the main island of the archipelago, a short ferry ride from the mainland where they really turn the cars in, and then along Koh Chang's winding roads through the jungle. Dubbed as ecotourism, it is much less developed than some of the other resorts and islands. One of my favourites, in fact. On one occasion, I decided to explore the island in different transport.
So this is the crazy idea for the day. Rent a World War II Jeep and drive it around the island. These things really are difficult to drive. They're like tractors, and actually not sure about the brakes. Nearly had an accident before I'd moved because the brakes didn't work. But this is wild Thailand for you. So we're on the road in a World War II Jeep. John is at the wheel, struggling with it. Very clunky gears.
It was everything I expected. Clunky gears, non-existent brakes, very bumpy, but nonetheless a fascinating experience. Arriving at the southern tip of the island.
So this is the southern tip of the island. We've driven down the whole of the eastern side, and this is Long Beach. Quite a nice spot. Quite an exhausting drive though. Feel stiff.
And an amazing Thailand moment. A really beautiful part of the island, less developed than the west. And Koh Chang can be a very good place to celebrate Songkran. The roads are not too big or fast, the crowds are lively and friendly, and whoops, got me there. I suppose somebody will say that brings me good luck. Don't expect to stay dry, and don't go on a motorbike. With that in mind, it's possible to enjoy the festival. One of my favourite places to stay is a resort perched on a cliff, built into the jungle, the Koh Chang Cliff Beach Resort. Lovely views of the terrain, beaches, and surrounding sea. And a surprise. When flying a drone, lots of people are fascinated, and this woman wanted to be the star of the show. And I must say she did a very good job. Great clip. Koh Chang is also a good place to explore smaller islands in the archipelago. A speedboat will take you to Koh Mak, Songkran everywhere you go, and quite expensive because everything has to come in by speedboat. But there are attractive coves, lovely clear water, picturesque piers, and some nice sandy beaches. One nice place to end the day is the Sunset Bar at the northern tip of the island. Bit of a hangout for Dutch hippies. A live band there, pretty noisy stuff, and septuagenarian guitarists. So back to Koh Chang to look at another part of the island on the northwestern side. This is a development which I enjoy a lot because it has sandy beaches, very nice villas, it's quiet, there's even a golf course there, and yet more panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and rainforest, with a beautiful seaside. And so, rounding it off with the ever-spectacular golden sunset from the western side of the island. See you in the next one. heading inland again to Sakyao and Buriram.